Since 2019 to 2024, Afghanistan team played only 5 ODIs versus South Africa and only won 2 matches. Is your team under pressure?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. 2019 and now it's too much difference, and just recently we beat them in Sharjah 2-1, so we have that confidence with us, and we are not under pressure anyway, because right now we are focusing what we can do in this tournament, and I believe that our team is more ready for this tournament, and we are focusing on our own team, so there is no pressure on us.
Badana Shahidi Saab, first time tasu experience the Pakistan ki ICC event, tasu tolo players ho, all the Pakistanum all players have first time Pakistan ki ICC event ki bazi ki. तास एक्सपीरियंस पर बारह बंदे मरातो है सिंधा का मैदानों की तास पर लाहौर के बाजी खड़े दा एशिया कप की एक्सपीरियंस बमी सही और बेसिकली लक्वट से हम लालू खान और तासो फैंस भी ढेर दे 70% अगर जोवाम से बलूचिस्तान दे तासो मिनवाल डक दे अगर कारोबारी खलक शख्सियत से कम मतलब दे तासो मिनवाल दे ओगो पर बारह ओगो तास मैसेज और सब ओगो बारह बाजी सवाए
पख्तो क्यों है تاسو یادونه وکړه چې آی سی سی فرست ټایم چې د آی سی سی ایونت موږ په پاکستان کې کوو موږ دلته میچونه کړي دي مخکې ډیر لوبغاړي دلته په پی ایس ایل کې هم لوبه کړې ده او تیر ایشیا کپ کې هم موږ دلته په لاهور کې میچونه کړي او بل مهمه خبر دا ده چې دا کنډیشن سي دا د موږ خپل هیواد پیچونو سره ډیره ورتوالی لري او عموما د منګه لوبغاړي سي دي هغه په د ایشین پیچونو کې ډیره بلدتیا هم لري او ډیر میچونه موږ دوبۍ کې کوو یا په انډیا کې کوو نو هغه دا پیچونه دومره فرق نه لري نو ان شاء الله موږ ته به کوم مشکل نه او ایډوانټیج بلا موږ سره یې ځکه موږ سره په ټیم کې سپینران ښه سپینران دي نو کنډیشن به دلته که وګورې بیټینګ ته ډیر زیات جوړي نو ان شاء الله موږ کوشش به همدا وي چې څومره هم په بیټینګ کې موږ ښه واوسیږو قوي واوسیږو نو ریزلټ به هم ښي او بل تاسو ویلې چې دلته په بلوچستان کې او نور پښتونخوا کې هر ځای کې زمونږ د لوبډلې مینوال شته دي او زیاتره افغانان هم دلته په اوسیږي نو خدای دې وکړي چې ټول راشي او دغه میچ نه خوند واخلي د موږ میچونو نه موږ سپورټ کړي همیشه موږ سپورټ کړي مې پښتانه که هر ځای کې نو خدای دې وکړي چې دلته هم راشي او موږ سپورټ کړي
شهیدی صاحب ستړی مشه په پاکستان کې لوبې گئے دنیا نور ځایونو کې لوبې گئے نور هیوادونه په خپل هیوادونو کې نور لوبډلې راغواړي او د هغوی کوربتوب کوي افغانستان یوازینۍ لوبډله ده چې کوربتوب په غاړه نه لري خپل هیواد کې لوبې نه دي کړي زمونږ ډېری لوبغاړي ریټایرډ شول لوبې په خپل هیواد کې ونه کړې شهیدی صاحب څومره ارمانجن دي چې په خپل هیواد کې د آی سی سی ایونټ یا ایون انټرنیشنل کرکټ ولو بوي او کنه دا ارمان بدای هم ریټایرمنټ سره یوسي
ډیر زر ان شاء الله خدای دې وکړي چې لوبډلې راشي افغانستان ته هم اول زه تاسو ته ووایم چې زیاتره خلک ما په میډیا کې هم اورېدلي دي چې زمونږ د ګراونډونو باره کې خبرې کوي چې یار هلته فیسیلیټي نشته سهولتونه نشته ځکه موږ نورو هیوادونو کې لوبه کوو موږ پوره سهولتونه لرو پوره فیسیلیټیز شته دي موږ سره په سو زونونو کې موږ په څلور زونونو کې موږ باقاعده سټیډیمونه لرو چې هغه باندې موږ کولی شو چې آی سی سی چې انټرنیشنل میچونه وکړو په کابل کې موږ یو باقاعده ګراوند لرو او یو بل سټیډیم هم په نږدې وخت کې په لار اچول شوی دی انشاءالله چې زر به جوړ شي همداسې اکیډمیانې هر څه شته دي خو تر اوسه پورې چې میچونه نه دي شوي لکه ډیر وخت نه افغانستان کې دغه د حالاتو تقاضا دا رقم وه نو انشاءالله زه مطمئن یم چې ډیر زر خدای دې وکړي چې راشي ټیمونه او هلته میچونه وکړي او موږ هم په خپل خاوره باندې دغه ارمان پوره شي او هلته موږ خپل هم ټول لوبغاړي میچونه وکړو او خپل مینوال خپل افغانان هم راشي میدان کې موږ میچونه وګوري
चाशमत किस तरह की तैयारियां हैं पहला प्रैक्टिस मैच आपने खेला लाहौर में वो उसमें आपको शिकस्त हुई फिर वार्म अप मैच में जनूबी अफ्रीका से आप हारे तो बल्कि न्यूजीलैंड से आप हारे हैं शायद तो कितनी कुछ तैयारियां हैं और पहले ही मतलब आप लोग पाकिस्तान में आकर खेल रहे हैं तो तैयारियां कैसी हैं और कितना आप मुतमईन हैं कि इस इवेंट में अफगानिस्तान की टीम जो है वो फाइनल फोर तक जा सकती है?
First of all, I will tell you that it's not first time that we are playing in this Pakistan grounds. We have played here. We played Asia Cup also in Lahore last year. We are totally ready, and we were working. We had a camp in Dubai. We prepared ourselves there, and about warm-up games, yeah, our aim was to just give everyone chance and make them prepare for and use them for get used to with this condition. So our aim was that we were not looking after results like in New Zealand game also we were just try to give a chance to the bowlers and get them use of this condition. So that was our aim, and we are totally prepared, and I believe that we have a good side, and these conditions are also suitable for us. So I am as a captain, as a leader, I am very confident that we can make it to the next round, and inshallah we only can work hard for that, and I know that we are capable of being in the next round, and hopefully that we make it.
हशमत, आपने पश्तो में इतने सारे जवाबात दिए तो मुझे नहीं पता ये सवाल कवर हुआ है नहीं हुआ, लेकिन अगर आप उर्दू या इंग्लिश में जवाब दें इसका कि एक बड़ी फ़ैन फॉलोइंग है कराची में अफ़गानिस्तान की टीम की। कल भी ट्रेनिंग पर जब आपके प्लेयर आते तो एक बड़ी तादाद में लोग नारे लगा रहे थे राशिद के लिए, नबी के लिए। कैसा फील होता है कि कराची में ख़ास तौर पर एक बड़ा आपको प्यार मिल रहा है? आपके वार्म अप मैच में भी बाहर जो है बड़ी तादाद में अफ़गान फैंस आए हुए थे। और दूसरा ये कि अफ़गानिस्तान अब आईसीसी टूर्नामेंट्स में सेमीफाइनल जैसे आपने खेला T20 वर्ल्ड कप का, तो आप फेवरेट्स के तौर पे देखे जाते हैं, और आप जिस तरीके से इवॉल्व हुए हैं, कैसे देखते हैं इस पूरी जर्नी को? और आपके फैंस अब चाहते हैं कि एक आध ट्रॉफी भी अफ़गानिस्तान अब जीतने की जो है सलाहियत रखती है।
First of all, about pupils here. Here are a lot of Afghans. They live here in Karachi and in Pakistan, and also a lot of Pashtun pupils. I think they support us. So yeah, yesterday was also a lot of crowd shouting for us, and it feels good, and it gives us confidence that we have supporters here. And about our performance, yeah, we are doing very good, and in this tournament we are here to compete here, and our aim is to win the final. We are not here just to prepare to participate here in this event. We are definitely 100% looking to win this event, and it's a good at the same time because we played a lot of quality cricket from last 2 years, and it's the good chance for us because the boys are very experienced, and this condition is also suitable for us. So we have a good chance, and let's start it from tomorrow, and hopefully that we start with the win, and we go with the same momentum throughout the tournament.
हशमत, वाइट बॉल क्रिकेट में आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं, T20 हो, वनडे हो, लेकिन अभी रिसेंटली चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी से कबल कुछ टीमों के तरफ से ये आया, कुछ टीमों के लोगों की तरफ से ये आया कि अफगानिस्तान के खिलाफ मैच जो है उसको बाइकआउट करना चाहिए। तो साइकोलॉजिकली इसका कितना ज़्यादा प्रेशर आना शुरू हो जाता है टीम की प्रिपरेशंस के ऊपर, क्योंकि आप लोग इतना अच्छा खेल रहे हैं, लेकिन एक इशू के ऊपर कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि आपके साथ मैच नहीं खेलना चाहिए, क्या कहेंगे इस पर?
I think as a sportsman, our job is to play cricket, and we don't care what's going on outside of the cricket. We only control things in the ground, inside the ground. So that's our job, and we other things cannot put us under pressure. And in the world, everyone knows that we are playing well, and especially from last 3 years, our performance in the ground is very good. So we only can control the things which is in the ground. So we focus on that, and in here also we just do the controllable things.
Hi, you guys did a very well job in T20 and a World Cup, both T20 World Cup and ODI. How do you follow this how do you forward this trophy and this matches and this in Pakistan?
I think we played good cricket in last 2 World Cups, but now that's the part of the history, and we only can have that in our mind. But now looking forward, we are not the team that what we achieved, and we rely on that. That's past now, and our aim is to improve day by day as a team, and whenever we get chance and whenever we play like right now in this kind of events like Champions Trophy, World Cups, so we will try to improve our performance and try to like last time we played semi-final in this Champion Trophy, hopefully we make it to the finals and win the trophy. That's what we're looking for, and I know we are capable, and we are just here for trophy.
Hi, Hashmat. Mir Shabbar from Dawn. As we talked about the presence of so many Afghan fans here in Pakistan, so like as we all know, it's not hidden. This is not a very good time for Afghans in Pakistan, and coincidentally, you guys are playing for the first time in this country, like at in a proper tournament. So, how does that emotionally charge you to do well over here, or probably make it to the knockouts, or even probably take the trophy home?
As I said that. We can control the things in the ground, and we work very hard for this event, and everyone is well prepared, and we have world-class players in the team. So I think we will compete here, and we will give our 100% to go with the best result. So as a team, we are looking to win the trophy, and we will just play by match. Now it's focus on the first game, so we will not go look too much ahead. We will not go look too much ahead because we have game tomorrow, and our focus will be how to beat South Africa tomorrow. So hopefully that we start well tomorrow and take that momentum moving forward for the next games.
मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि आप अफ़गान फैंस को क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि हम ये देखते हैं कि जिस भी ग्राउंड में अफ़गान फैंस हों बड़े जज्बाती होते हैं और वो जीत के लिए बड़े ज़्यादा पुरजोश होते हैं, तो उनको क्या मैसेज है? सेकंड, इसी बात को मैं आगे बढ़ाते हुए कि अफ़गानिस्तान के बाद अगर सबसे ज़्यादा अफ़गान बसते हैं तो वो पाकिस्तान में बसते हैं, तो कल के मैच में स्पेशली आप कोई होम कंडीशन या होम सपोर्ट आप महसूस कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि स्टार्ट से लेकर आज तक जब आपने क्रिकेट शुरू की थी अफगानिस्तान ने, तो जब भी कराची में ही कैंप लगते थे दीगर हिस्सों में, तो यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट है, तो आप क्या समझते हैं कि कल का जो मैच है उसमें आपको बिल्कुल होम कंडीशंस दिख रही हैं या होम सपोर्ट टाइप का कुछ माहौल दिख रहा है कल आपको?
I think a lot of Afghans live here, and last time in Asia Cup we saw some Afghan fans coming here. So hopefully that stadium will be full, and I know that a lot of Pashtuns are following who lives here in Pakistan. Hopefully their support also with us. So looking forward, and inshallah pupils back home in Afghanistan and outside the country, like living in Europe countries and other countries, will also support us. So we keep that in our mind that they will support us, and we will give our 100% to them to give them a good result. Yeah, every country's people are happy when their team wins. So Afghans are the same, like the way other country people's happy for the win, and they are also same.
अच्छा हशमतुल्लाह, मेरा सवाल भी क्राउड से रिलेटेड था, लेकिन 2 मरतबा हो चुका है, तो मैंने ये पूछना चाहूँगा आपसे कि दुनिया की जितनी भी टीमें हैं वो अपने होम ग्राउंड पर क्रिकेट खेल रही हैं, आप लोगों को कभी आप यूएई चूज करते हैं, कभी इंडिया, तो कितना आपका दिल चाहता है कि आप अपने होम ग्राउंड पर क्रिकेट खेलें, और अगर उस पर कोई काम हो रहा है तो उस पर बताइएगा कब तक हम ये एक्सपेक्ट करें कि अफगानिस्तान की टीम भी अपने होम ग्राउंड पर क्रिकेट खेलेगी और वहाँ भी इंशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान या अफगानिस्तान की सीरीज हो?
I have answered this in Pashto, but let me say it again, because in media I heard a lot from other countries that they don't have facilities, they don't have stadiums, they don't have academies. It's totally wrong. We have good facilities, we have cricket academies, we have HPC High Performance Center in Kabul, in Jalalabad, and also we have stadiums in every zone of Afghanistan. So we have the facilities of to call a team to come to Afghanistan, but in our country there was some security issues. That's why other country was not coming. But hopefully as soon as possible, that one of the country come to Afghanistan, and you will see the crowd also. When we play domestic cricket, it's full pack. The stadiums were full pack. Even people wait outside the stadium and try to come and watch the domestic game, like more than 50,000, 40,000 or 30,000 people coming for the finals of Shpagiza event. So when I know that if any team come to Afghanistan, there will be like thousands of people, fans come and arrive to the stadium, because there is a lot of craze of cricket. There are a lot of people who loves cricket. So hopefully that day come, and hopefully it comes soon.
Thank you so much.
Done?